Hold it right there. Your hunger is not what you think it is. It is a masterful deception, and we are about to unmask it for you. Have you ever wondered why, despite having plenty of food, the feeling of hunger, cravings, and guilt still haunt you? What if I told you that your body and mind have been deceiving you for years, leading you to eat without any real need? Get ready for a revelation that will challenge everything you knew about hunger. Stay until the end, because I will give you the tools to dismantle these deceptions and find true freedom with food. Get ready for your entire perception of food to change completely. In this world where food is everywhere, why do most of us struggle with hunger and cravings? We go on diets that don't work and that are not sustainable long term. We live in cycles of guilt, and we feel like food dominates us. This is not coincidence. For millions of years, our brain developed 6 different mechanisms to ensure our survival. The problem is that these mechanisms are outdated for the modern world. Here is the part that will make you indignant. The food industry perfectly understands these 6 types of hunger and consciously exploits them. They have invested billions of dollars in creating food that specifically activate your emotional hunger and your variety of hunger. Every time you open a packet of cookies, every time you cannot stop eating potato chips, every time you feel you lack willpower, you are actually being manipulated by evolutionary programs that the food industry deliberately hacks. The thing is, we have been programmed to respond to hunger signals that today no longer make sense or deceive us, and this leads us to overeat, to feel low on energy, and to disconnect from what our body truly needs. Overweight is just the tip of the iceberg. Think about it. How many times have you eaten until you felt uncomfortable, but still felt an emptiness, a desire of something more? That insistent voice that tells you, I need that dessert, or something savory for the crush, even after a good meal, or that anxiety, stress, or sadness that leads you straight to opening the fridge, seeking comfort in chocolate or potato chips. It is a constant battle, isn't it? You feel trapped, out of control, and every time you fall, guilt consumes you. This doesn't just affect your weight, but also your energy, your mood, and how you feel about yourself. It is as if one part of you wants to eat healthy and another pulls you towards destructive behavior. Are you tired of feeling this way? To unmask this mystery, we are going to use the knowledge of experts in nutrition and human behavior. They have identified 6 types of hunger with deep roots in our history. Understanding them is the first step to regaining control. Here are the 6 types of hunger. Number 1, nutritional hunger. This is the only genuine one. It arises when your body, with all its ancient wisdom, detects that it lacks specific nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins. It is the signal that tells you, I need this to function at 100%. Our ancestors, by shifting from eating only plants to eating everything, developed this ability to seek what they were missing. Number 2, thirst, the great imposter. Your primitive brain doesn't always know how to differentiate between thirst and hunger. Before, water was obtained from fruits and veggies. If you suddenly feel a craving, especially for something salty, drink a large glass of water. You will be surprised. Number 3, variety hunger. A brilliant evolutionary trick. Wanting to try everything is a natural way to ensure you get all kinds of nutrients and don't lack anything. Our ancestors needed this diversity to take advantage of what was available each season. That's why, even after you have eaten, you sometimes want something different. Number 4, hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. When blood sugar drops, you feel hungry to raise it. This comes from when your ancestors only had sweets occasionally, like seasonal fruits. Today, with so much refined sugar, we live on a roller coaster, and that hunger for quick energy is activated all the time, even when we don't need it. Number 5, emotional hunger. This is one of the most common and dangerous forms of unhealthy eating. It's not about energy, but about dealing with your emotions. From infancy, we associate food with affection. Big food companies take advantage of this, creating products that give us that instant happiness. Number 6, empty stomach hunger. A survival strategy that no longer fits with these times. Your stomach stretches. Before, when there were periods of scarcity and abundance, it was vital to eat when you could. Today, that feeling of emptiness doesn't mean you need nutrients, only that your stomach is empty. But the story of hunger doesn't end there. There is a type of hunger that goes beyond the physical, an emptiness that no matter how much you eat, doesn't get filled. It's emotional, spiritual, and social hunger. Here are practical and transformative tricks for you. Conscious and strategic hydration. Before giving in to a craving, especially if it appears out of nowhere, drink a large glass of water. Wait about 10 or 15 minutes. Many times, what you thought was hunger will disappear, showing you that it was actually thirst. Make this a habit, even before every meal. Write the hunger and emotion journal. Keep a simple record of when you eat, what you eat, and most importantly, how you felt just before eating. Write down your emotions: stress, sadness, boredom, loneliness, joy. This exercise will help you a lot to see the patterns of your emotional hunger and to differentiate it from physical hunger. Another strategy: nourish your emotions in a healthy way. When you realize your hunger is due to emotions, stop and ask yourself, what do I really feel? What do I need right now that is not food? If it's a stress, find something to relax. Meditate, breathe deeply, or go for a walk in nature. If it's sadness, seek support from a friend, a loved one, a pet, or a professional. If it's boredom, find a hobby, read a book, learn something new. The key is to directly address the emotion that is driving you. More helpful strategies. Foster genuine connection. Social and spiritual hunger can only be filled with authentic connection experiences, with a sense of purpose, and with fulfilling relationships. Seek activities that connect you with others and with yourself. Join a group, volunteer, spend quality time with your loved ones. Be grateful for what you have. Seek your purpose in life. Fill your life with meaning and relationships that truly nourish you. Also, practice mindful eating. Choose natural, fresh, and nutritious foods. When you eat, avoid distractions. Eat slowly, savoring each bite. Paying attention to the textures, flavors, and your body's signals that tells you that you are satisfied. This not only helps your digestion, but also tells your body it's full, and your mind to enjoy to the fullest, reducing the urge to overeat. Also, recognize and honor your empty stomach. Understand that your stomach rumble isn't always a sign that you need nutrients. It is just empty. If you have eaten recently and are well hydrated, chances are you don't need to eat. Learn to endure that feeling without resorting to food. But here comes the exciting part. The reason why honoring an empty stomach is a superpower for your well-being. Having an empty stomach, that is, being in a fasted state, offers multiple health benefits. This state activates metabolic flexibility to burn fat efficiently, produces orexin that keeps you more alert and focused, boosts autophagy for deep cellular cleansing and regeneration, improves your insulin sensitivity for better blood sugar control, and reduces inflammation throughout your body. Essentially, that ancient signal of empty stomach hunger transforms today into a golden opportunity for your body to repair and optimize itself, strengthening your health from the inside out. And there you have it, champions of the Hunger Games. I hope this has given you a new perspective. Remember, your body is an incredible machine with ancient wisdom just waiting to be heard. Don't be fooled by false alarms and by the food industry that wants you addicted to its processed and nutrient-poor food. If this video has made you feel lighter, smarter, and more in control of your well-being, then join our community by subscribing to NutritiveLife English and liking the video if you enjoy it. And remember, health is the most valuable thing we have, and without health, we have nothing.